Good day and welcome back to another Daily Tech Brief. Well, the city of Barcelona, Spain is going to be dumping Windows in favor of Linux. They hope to do this full-time by 2019, and their Linux operating system of choice is Ubuntu, of course. Well, I hope they like the GNOME desktop. Today is the first day you can walk into an Amazon Go store, a store with no cash and apparently no employees. You walk into the store with your Amazon Go app ready. You pick out the groceries that you want, log into your app, pay for it that way. No cashier and no waiting in line. Check out the latest Amazon Go store starting today in Seattle. And finally, the new t-shirts are out. Go to teespring.com, search Total OS today, and check out the hot new t-shirts for the guys and the gals, including the hot selling Windows Broken Fix with Linux. Haha. That's all I have for this one. Thank you for watching Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond.